What if I told you that the difference in wealth between the world's richest and poorest countries is so vast? It's like comparing a luxury mansion to a tiny studio apartment. Today, we're taking a flying journey through the 50 poorest countries in the world, where millions of people live on less than what many spend on coffee in a day. Let's start our journey in Africa, where we find Burundi, ranking as the poorest nation globally, with a GDP per capita of just $771. To put this in perspective, that's less than what many people spend on their monthly rent. Following closely is South Sudan at $835, still struggling to recover from years of conflict. As we soar across the continent, we encounter the Central African Republic at $980, Somalia at $1,041, and Mozambique at $1,297. These nations face challenges ranging from political instability to limited access to education and healthcare. Moving to Asia, we find Afghanistan with $2,065 per capita, Yemen at $2,115, and Syria at $2,807, countries where ongoing conflicts have devastated once thriving economies. Nepal ranks higher, but still struggles at $4,197. Back to Africa, we see Mali, 2,124, Niger, 1,224, Chad, 1,768, and Ethiopia, 1,413. In these nations, agricultural economies often face challenges from climate change and limited technological resources. The Democratic Republic of Congo, despite its vast natural resources, shows a GDP per capita of just $1,098, while Madagascar stands at $1,634, Malawi at $1,593, and Guinea-Bissau at $1,289. Some island nations also make our list, like Comoros with $3,320, and Haiti, the poorest country in the Americas, at $2,125. These countries often face unique challenges from natural disasters and limited economic diversification. As we continue our journey, we see Eritrea, 1,729, Tanzania, 3,402, Uganda, 2,087, and Rwanda, 2,494, all working to build stronger economies despite historical challenges. Sierra Leone, 1,718, Liberia, 1,567, and Togo, 2,167, show how post-conflict nations struggle to rebuild. Meanwhile, Burkina Faso, 2,279, Gambia, 2,280, and Guinea, 2,492, demonstrate slow but steady progress. Looking at these numbers, it's crucial to remember that behind each statistic are real people striving for better lives. Many of these nations are rich in natural resources and cultural heritage, yet face complex challenges in transforming these assets into economic growth. These countries aren't just statistics. They're home to innovative entrepreneurs, determined students, and hardworking families, all working towards a brighter future. While GDP numbers tell one story, the human spirit and potential in these nations tell another, more hopeful one.